See, if you look at our overarching philosophy with which we go to the market today, it is about simplifying this transformation process for our customers. Which means that we want to demystify a lot of these concepts, and we want to declutter a lot of silos, and we want to de-jargonize some of these things, so to make it very simple for our customers. So hence it has to be a very, very services-led approach. We have created very strong services offerings across different categories like cloud, security, analytics, managed services, so to speak. And we are continuously investing in building up these services portfolios. In cloud, we do all kinds of services from migration to managed services. We have created our own IPs and also have alliances which we offer as a part of our overall managed services practice. We have managed security services, the MSSP. We were the first MSSP certified for Dell SecureWorks world over as a distributor. And we are trying to create a unique model of taking MSSP and MSP services through a very nice two-tier model, which are all concepts at work today. And we will continue to invest in those areas. We are investing heavily on building a workforce which is highly skilled. And there are both in terms of investment in skills as well as IPs. We will continue to remain in that space and help take the services portfolio to the next level. So we have a very, very strong, skillful workforce. Over a third of our overall workforce is highly technical, so which you don't generally see as much in the related industry. But in the VAT space, I think this is going to be more and more the trend, because these opportunities are going to be more technical and services led. And when I say that, it is starting from advisory and consulting to implementation to managed services. In each of these areas, we are going to have significant investment and very interesting offerings going ahead. So number one, we are today able to attract a lot of talents who are skilled in very specialized areas, number one. We have a mandate across the organization who are working in these specialized areas to have a certain minimum level of certifications and trainings, irrespective of the levels or the work they are doing. We are investing heavily on getting them trained and taking the offerings to the next level, and not just on specific technologies, but as a overarching themes of digital transformation, cloud as a practice. We take special interest, and we are doing special initiatives to make sure that the workforce is absolutely up to date. So consulting services today in our part of the world, and what we have, the way we have envisaged it, is it plays a very, very critical role, and it is going to be even more crucial in how we operate going ahead. One of the reasons is, as you know, that our market is very, very fragmented, and there is a serious skill gap in certain specific markets and in certain specific categories. With Citrus Consulting, we have tried to bridge that gap. They are very focused on certain niche areas. We are able to bring in talents and skills which were otherwise not really available, at least to cater to the mid-market and the SME space. Definitely there are many areas where the skills were not available. So that is something that we have been able to successfully achieve. The other part is, like I said, that the more and more the attempt is to simplify this entire transformation journey of the customers. More and more consulting and advisory services catered very specifically to deliver outcomes to our customers. They will be in demand, and I see a very, very critical role being played by Citrus moving ahead.